How to delete all your saved videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application. After that, tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then from your bottom top right corner, go to menu bar. Go to settings and privacy. After that, go to report a problem or simply go to support. Then go to help center. After that, go to report or simply go to chat with us. Make sure you take a screenshot of the saved videos and then simply tell them that I want to delete all my saved videos and send them. So rest is on TikTok's support center. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and